Stop by and take a look at the 2024 Outback. Take the go-anywhere capability of all-wheel drive and plenty of room for cargo and companions, and you've got the Subaru Outback. Let the adventure begin. This vehicle has less than 8,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, tires, rear all-season, integrated turn signal mirrors, privacy glass. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.